Unlock universal compatibility for your USB drives and SD cards by formatting them to FAT32, a file system recognized by nearly every device out there. First, let's identify your USB drive or SD card. In File Explorer, right-click on the drive and select Properties here. You'll see its current file system if it's not FAT32. Or if you want to ensure it's formatted correctly, we'll proceed with the formatting process. Now, we'll use Windows' built-in disk management tool. Press your Windows key and type Disk Management. Then select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Locate your USB drive or SD card. In the list, be absolutely sure you select the correct drive to avoid data loss on other storage devices. Right-click on the correct drive and choose Format. In the dialog box that appears, select FAT32 from the File System drop-down menu. You can also give your drive a volume label, like My USB or Photos. Ensure Perform a Quick Format is checked for a faster process, then click OK. Windows will warn you that formatting will erase all data if you've backed up anything important. Confirm by clicking OK. Once the format is complete, you'll see the file system is now FAT32. Your drive is now ready for use with a wide range of devices. Alternatively, for a more advanced method, you can use the command prompt. We'll access it as an administrator. After opening the command prompt, we'll use specific commands to identify your drive and initiate the FAT32 formatting. This method is powerful, but requires precision to ensure you're targeting the right drive. Formatting your USB or SD card to FAT32 is a simple yet incredibly useful skill that ensures your media, documents, and data can be accessed by virtually any device. From your car stereo to your digital camera, Windows tips file formatting